Chevy Nova. It's got a 383 stroker motor, 350 transmission, and a Dan 60 rear end. Bought it out of Blue Springs at a shop. I added that battery shut-off on it. I put a retro radio in it. And after that, it basically bought it it's like mostly like this. It looks like a classic car, yeah. And then I put a 70 license plate, original 70 license plate on the back of it, kind of like that too. And I like the power. You know, I've always liked them. When I was a kid, we had a guy in town that had one that was like this. It was like one of the fastest cars in town. So when I seen it, it reminded me of that. So that's why I wanted it. What I like about it is I can work on it because I grew up in that kind of area. You know what I mean? And it ain't like the new cars now. You can't even hardly disconnect the battery and everything. That's what I like about it.